Today, we celebrate a rising star from Italy, Sofia Ricci's redefining beauty with her assured confidence and elegance, grabbing everyone's attention all across social media. Brought up in Italy back in '98, Sophia was surrounded with culture, style, plus lots of creativity. She started feeling a great pull toward fashion that eventually became her modeling journey. Staying very true to her roots, she represents Italian beauty while connecting with a global crew. Officially, Sophia hit the Instagram scene in October 2025. What had started as just a space for fashion inspiration turned real fast into something way bigger. Her feeds showing off eye-catching photos, stylish outfits, and moments from her lifestyle. These resonate deeply with followers who are all about authenticity and loving their bodies. At a good 175 centimeters, Sophia's got a curvy silhouette perfectly suited for plus-size modeling. Her balanced shape, brown hair, and eyes that really express bring out her very modern, glamorous style. Effortlessly, she's blending elegance with some bolder trends, quickly becoming a favorite among fashion lovers. Sophia's reach grew rapidly. She began working with various brands, notably plus-size fashion, lingerie, skincare, and beauty lines. This authentic connection with viewers has made Sophia a well-respected digital creator, as well as brand ambassador. Beyond the modeling, Sophia's a lifestyle blogger also. She also travels a lot. Through her platform, she promotes self-love and confidence. Additionally, she advocates for size-inclusive fashion. She pushes women to embrace their bodies. Sophia, furthermore, challenged some outdated beauty ideals in fashion. As Sofia Ricci continues to grow as a plus-size icon and Instagram celebrity, her story demonstrates how beauty isn't limited by a single size. This growth shows an impactful change toward more inclusive and fair representation in the fashion world. Keep watch as her story continues unfolding. This surely will influence worldwide lifestyle and fashion trends.